I, I just got a new guy and he's getting me fly. I'm richer than my ex, had this start on decline. I just wanna buy all the finer things in life. More and I got that crazy, crazy mind. I'm ciphering all just by myself. What? I don't need another artist for some help. Nah, speaking Spanish and English as well. I'm Filipina if you couldn't fucking tell. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang.